We are going to plant this fig tree today. We can grow fig tree in New Jersey as long as we give some extra protection during winter. Our temperature falls below 0 degree Fahrenheit in winter. We are in zone 6B. It needs some extra protection by mulching and insulation with some burlap or something. Then it can survive winter. We can add some garden soil into the hole. This is Miracle-Gro garden soil for in-ground use. While choosing the fig tree, choose the cold hardy one like Chicago hardy one. Fig tree needs full sun and daily watering. So this is the east side of our house. So it will get the morning sun. We can loosen up the roots. I'm keeping a fence around it to protect it from the deer.